Lewy bodies are abnormal aggregates of protein that develop inside nerve cells in Parkinson's disease, Lewy body dementia, and some other disorders. They are identified under the microscope when histology is performed on the brain. Lewy bodies appear as spherical masses that displace other cell components. The two morphological types are classical Lewy bodies and cortical Lewy bodies. A classical Lewy body is an eosinophilic cytoplasmic inclusion consisting of a dense core surrounded by a halo of 10 nanometer wide radiating fibrils, the primary structural component of which is alpha-synuclein. In contrast, a cortical Lewy body is less well defined and lacks a halo. Nonetheless, it is still made up of alpha-synuclein fibrils. Cortical Lewy bodies are a distinguishing feature of dementia with Lewy bodies, but may occasionally be seen in ballooned neurons characteristic of Pick's disease and corticobasal degeneration, as well as in patients with other tauopathies. They are also seen in cases of multiple system atrophy, particularly the Parkinsonian variant. History: Lewy bodies were discovered by Frederick Lewy in 1912. Cell biology. A Lewy body is composed of the protein alpha-synuclein associated with other proteins, such as ubiquitin, neurofilament protein, and alpha-B-crystallin. Tau proteins may also be present, and Lewy bodies may occasionally be surrounded by neurofibrillary tangles. Lewy bodies and NFTs can occasionally exist in the same neuron, particularly in the amygdala. Lewy bodies are believed to represent an exome response in the cell. Lewy neurites. Lewy neurites are abnormal neurites in diseased neurons, containing granular material and abnormal I+or-synuclein filaments similar to those found in Lewy bodies. Like Lewy bodies, Lewy neurites are a feature of I+or-synucleinopathies such as dementia with Lewy bodies, Parkinson's disease, and multiple system atrophy. They are also found in the CA2-3 region of the hippocampus in Alzheimer's disease. Cultural reference. Celebrities. Notable people who suffered from Lewy body dementia include, actor Robin Williams, actress Estelle Getty, music industry icon Casey Kasem, athlete Stan Mikita, artist Don Featherstone, creator of the iconic lawn flamingo. In fiction. In the premiere episode of Boss, Dr. Ella Harris tells Chicago Mayor Tom Kane he has Lewy bodies, and his progressing symptoms are shown in each episode. See also, Neurite, proteopathy, synucleinopathies. References: Dixon D.W., Feeney M.B., Jensch, Matthias L.A., Davis P. Cytoskeletal pathology in non-Alzheimer degenerative dementia, new lesions in diffuse Lewy body disease, Pick's disease, and corticobasal degeneration. Journal of Neural Transmission. Supplementum 47, 31 €46 doi, 10.1007/978-3-7091-6892-92. PMID 8,841,955. Popescu, A. Lipper, C.F. Lee, V.M. Trojanowski, J.Q. Lewy bodies in the amygdala, increase of synuclein aggregates in neurodegenerative diseases with tau-based inclusions. Archives of Neurology 61, 1915 1919. doi, 10.1001/archneur. 61.12.1915. PMID 15,596,612. Jellinger K.A. More frequent Lewy bodies but less frequent Alzheimer-type lesions in multiple system atrophy as compared to age-matched control brains. Acta Neuropathologica 114, 299 €303 doi, 10.1007 per second 00401-007-0227-4. PMID 17,476,513. Brock H., Deltrage K., Ra 1 quarter BU, De Vos R.A., Janssen Steri N. and Brock E. Staging of brain pathology related to sporadic Parkinson's disease. Neurobial aging 24, 197 €211 doi, 10.1016 per second 0197-4580, 02, 00065-9. PMID 12,498,954. Engelender S. Ubiquitination of alpha-synuclein and autophagy in Parkinson's disease. Autophagy 4, 372 Euro 4 doi, 10.4161/auto5604. PMID 18,216,494. Ishizawa, Takashi MD. Maitler, Petri MD, PhD. Davis, Peter PhD. Wang, Dungshan MD. Dixon, Dennis W. MD. Colocalization of tau and alpha-synuclein epitopes in Lewy bodies. Colocalization of tau and alpha-synuclein epitopes in Lewy bodies. Journal of Neuropathology and Experimental Neurology 62, 389 Euro 397. PMID 12,722,831. Arima, K. Hirai, S. Sunohara, N. Aoto, K. Izumiyama, Y. Wei copyright Da, K. Ikeda, K. Kawai, M. Arima K, Hirai S, Sunohara N, Aoto K, Izumiyama Y, Wei copyright Da K, Ikeda K, Kawai M. Cellular co-localization of phosphorylated tau and NACP alpha-synuclein epitopes in Lewy bodies in sporadic Parkinson's disease and in dementia with Lewy bodies. Brain Research 843, 53 Euro 61 doi, 10.1016 per second 0006-8993, 99, 01848X. PMID 10,528,110. Marie-Louise Schmidt, John A. Martin, Virginia M.Y. Lee, John Q. Trojanowski. Convergence of Lewy bodies and neurofibrillary tangles in amygdala neurons of Alzheimer's disease and Lewy body disorders. Acta Neuroporthol 91, 475 Euro 81 doi, 10.1007 per second 004010050454. PMID 8,740,227. Tanaka M., Kim Y. M., Lee G., Jun E., Iwatsuba T., Meridianum. Exons formed by alpha-synuclein and synphilin 1 are cytoprotective. J. Bile. Chem 279, 4625 Euro 31 doi, 10.1074/JBC. M3109942000. PMID 14,627,698. Maria Grazia Spilantini, R. Anthony Crowther, Ross Jakes, Masato Hasegawa, Michelle Gaudet. I plus or minus synuclein in filamentous inclusions of Lewy bodies from Parkinson Euro unregistered trademark S disease and dementia with Lewy bodies. PNAS 95, 6469 Euro 73 doi, 10.1073/FNAS. 95.11.6469. PMC 27806. PMID 9,600,990. Abiwami Marui, Eizo Isuke, Masaneri Kato, Hiroyasu Akatsu, Kenji Kosaka. Pathological entity of dementia with Lewy bodies and its differentiation from Alzheimer's disease. Acta Neuropathologica 108, 121 Euro 8 doi, 10.1007 per second 0041-004-0869-4. PMID 15,235,805. External links, Lewy Body Dementia Association.